Okay, let's say someone wants to book a wedding with one of our hairdressers or multiple hairdressers. The first thing you do is establish how many hairdressers you're going to need. Let's say in this case they want to book Kirsty and Sam from 9 a.m. till 12 p.m. on August the 3rd. First of all, we're going to need a deposit of 25% of the price just to hold that spot, and that's taken as soon as they make the booking. And they're going to have to pay in full at least 1 week, 7 calendar days prior to that spot, because 1 week we'll be able to open up the hairdresser schedule should they cancel or if they don't pay. That's critical. Another thing is we're not sure exactly how many services we're doing. We'll have to bill on the day based on the quote that you give them, but right now we just want to block off that time. And in the notes, we'll put the quote for the actual services performed, because maybe they have multiple people they want the hairdressers to work through. Maybe they just want that person's special attention. It's whatever the we work out with them is going to be the deal. So in this case, let's book off Kirsty and Sam. So Kirsty will book, or Sam will start with. We're going to book her off at from 9 a.m. till 12. So from 9 o'clock, we're going to add a client, and it's going to be Cassandra Drazik. There she is, add a service. In this case, we're going to put wedding, and what's going to pop up is wedding block, 1 hour, $1. Those, obviously, that's not what it costs. This is just to get a time in there. Start time is going to be, and we're going to make it for, in this case, we're going to custom do it, so for 3 hours. And in the notes, we're going to put quoted for Sam and Kirsty, $500. And I'll put collected $125 today for deposit on debit. And make sure you put your name. I'm going to put RH here so they know that was me that did that. And then we'll say save appointment. And that's in. We'll do the exact same thing over here with Kirsty. Cassandra, add a service, wedding, remember wedding block. And we're going to make it for 3 hours. And for notes, because there should be notes for everything that there is something unusual going on. So notes, see Sam's notes. Actually, I'll put see notes under Sam. And that way we've got a record of what's going on. Save appointment. And now she's blocked off, and people can see that they're not going to try to rebook Cassandra because she's got a wedding. And if 7 days prior, if you're working the desk 7 days prior, if you see that something hasn't been billed in full, seek out the staff member, find out if that has not been paid. And if not, we just we keep the deposit and delete the rest of the booking. And that's how you do weddings.